In this lesson, I'm going to talk about drop caps. And if you're wondering what they are, well, think of the older books and manuscripts, which have the first letter of the chapter or the paragraph written in a much bigger font. Now, there are two ways of doing this. The first one involves a bit more markup, but it's compatible with more browsers. So let's see an example. First of all, I have a simple page with 3 paragraphs. So let's target this last paragraph, and we'll do span with a class of first letter, and I'm going to put the first letter from the word inside that span. So right now I'm going to go here and I'm going to say first letter, and we'll do this float left. And let's make it a color, like make it green. Let's increase the font. So let's do 72 pixels on 100% line height, and maybe a serif font like Georgia. All right, let's check it out. Maybe we could use a right margin here. So let's do margin right, or actually let's do the shorthand notation 0. Let's do about 14 pixels, 0, 0. All right, so now we have a nice margin. And that is the first way of creating a drop caps. Now, the second method relies solely on CSS to target that first letter. Let's actually target this first paragraph, and we're gonna do this. Let's do demo container, which is the div that holds all of these paragraphs. So demo container paragraph, we'll do first child and then first letter. All right, and that will make sure it targets the first letter from the first paragraph. Actually, this is a demo here. And basically we'll do the same thing, float left, color green, and also the font and margin. So let's go ahead and copy those, paste them in, and we get the exact same result. And there you go, 2 very simple methods of creating drop caps. Now, the last approach, the one with the first letter, is indeed more elegant, but it's not supported in older versions of Firefox. And it's also not supported in IE 6 and 7. So if you need to support those, go with the first method.